Lagos State Government has called on residents to observe strict and comprehensive hygiene to stay safe from cholera disease, which is currently ravaging some parts of the state. Speaking at a press conference, the Commissioner for Health, Professor Akin Abayomi, said there are 579 cases of cholera on record in the state with 29 deaths. Professor Abayomi said the Ministry of Health and its collaborating partners have set up mechanisms, especially in schools, to prevent the spread of the disease.
Develop any symptoms, all our schools are linked to a primary health care or a general hospital such that we can refer them quickly. As you well know, we are working very hard on the Ilera Social Health Insurance Scheme to make sure that everybody has social health insurance, which will mean that if you have any symptoms in school and you carry a social health insurance scheme in your pocket, you will be seen free of charge at your local healthcare facilities, either public or private.
The Lagos State Health Commissioner warned those that produce unauthorized drinks for consumption of the public to desist and ensure that source of water they use for such drink is reliable health-wise. He said the state governor, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, has approved the appraisal of producers of beverages in the state to be sure of the source where they produce and water they use for the drinks for consumption of the people.
We obviously will pay attention to the source of water that those manufacturers are using, and that is what we're doing at the moment. We're trying to identify as many of these street manufacturers. First of all, we're trying to emphasize the fact that if you're going to manufacture anything for public consumption, you must be registered with NAFDAC. So that will immediately put a very high level of regulation over the manufacture of street beverages.
Also, the State Commissioner for Information, Benga Omotosho, warned people against open defecation, saying it is one of the ways of polluting the environment, which is highly inimical to the health of the people. He revealed that the state government is on the verge of providing more public toilets across the state.
That question, open defecation is very common and is unfortunate and very disheartening. But it's not as if the state government is just throwing its hands up in the air and doing nothing about it. So very soon we see all around Lagos brand new public toilets that we are going to be building around the place. We are taking samples now at the state government level, and very soon you'll see that.